So what's the damage, mate? Tell me. This is what I'm going to teach you today. It's the phrase, what's the damage? Now, this doesn't refer to any type of damage to your car or your house where you actually break something. This is in reference to how much it costs. So let's put it in a story this time. So you're going out and you want to go out and get a few drinks, alcoholic drinks. You want to go to the pub and you want to buy everyone else a drink as well. So you buy, to say at 5 people, you buy 5 people a drink and you get those drinks, and then you go, what's the damage, mate? And the bartender will probably say, oh, that'll be $50. So the damage is you give away $50 for some alcoholic drinks, or some people say you lose $50, and that's what damage is. So you lose some money, or you give away some money and you get something in return, but that is the damage. And today at pubs, drinks are very high. So how the conversation would go, you owe someone some money, they come in, their name's Fred. Fred comes in, oh, you owe me $150 for the job I done the other day. And I would reply, what is, no, I can't say it. Okay, Fred comes in and he goes, oh, you owe me the money for the job I done the other day. So it hasn't put a cost on it yet. And I reply, oh, so what is the damage? Or what would the damage be? And Fred would reply with an amount of money, so $150. So I'll probably reply, God, that's a very big damage you done. And Fred will just reply, just pay up, you bloody punk. Or just pay up, cunt. And depending on your relationship with him, it will either be serious or it could be go, oh, just pay up, cunt. That means, can you please pay up? So that is how we use the phrase, what's the damage? Hope this taught you something about Australian English. I just thought of it then, so I thought I'd just make a quick video on it. And if you like what I teach you, please subscribe down below somewhere, I think this side, wherever, and give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Have a bonza day, mate. Hooroo.